This one is Itel A16 plus screen light jump ways. So this side is the positive one and the other side is negative, that's the back pins. It's water damage, so you see breakings or screen cable is being damaged. So you see the damaged part, that side. So the positive is the only place that the fault is. So you see the light or the screen lights, this is the negative and the positive. So the negative is okay, no fault, so you need to remove the jump wire on there. So you connect from the wire to pass inside this hole and come out to this side, that's the positive. It's very difficult, but sometimes you need to detect on the motherboard well. So you see the jump wire from this side. See? So you place your masking tape here so that this place is negative to no contact with the screen negative side. So you apply your masking tape. So this one too is used to hold the power supply or the DC to avoid shock. That's it. So you apply your masking tape. You see? Then you fold it. So you apply another masking tape here because of the jump wire. Make it nicely. Then you insert the flat cable into the screen tag. See? Then you insert your battery. That is Itel A16 plus. Then you switch. Maybe the battery is low, so you see, yeah. That's how the screen light jump ways is being done. That is 100% plus 1. So I think the battery is 100% plus 1. So you set charger. The battery is low, so I'm using Nokia battery. Or AC Fly battery. The battery is damaged, so it will turn off automatically as how it has been doing. So this is Itel A16 plus. So you can subscribe to my channel, Wofa Koto Ba for repairs. Bumfa Lake Road, Konongo. When you are in Accra, Kumasi, Konongo, Odumase, Sunyani, Brekum, Winneba, this our talent for repairs. I've never learned how to repair phone, but we are still in the process. We do best work. We are always the fastest. Praise be to God and honor be to God. That is Itel A16. Itel, somebody will say Itel A16 plus. You see, it's because it is not